artists. It is wonderful to see you again. Today we will be creating artwork outside using natural materials. Natural materials are things that you find growing or developing on their own outside. Things like rocks, leaves, sticks, pine needles, pine cones, really anything. There are many artists who create beautiful works of art outside using only natural materials. They are often called land or environmental artists. This is British artist Andy Goldsworthy. He is alive, he is 63 years old, and he lives in Scotland. He works as an artist making natural art in the environment. His work is ephemeral, which means it is temporary. He knows that it won't last forever. But he still takes the time to make these amazing artworks using natural materials. He arranges them in different patterns, paying attention to symmetry, shape, size, line, design, color. He has a plan for it when he creates it. He knows that his art won't last forever, so he takes a photograph of it. The first thing we need to do is find a good container to collect our things in. Let's go. Now that Katie and I have our supplies collected, we're ready to start creating. Have fun, stay well, and I can't wait to see what you create.